to 3 tablespoons sugar. Cook on low flame until caramelized. 2 cup milk. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. 2 slices bread. Chop well. Add chopped bread. 15 cashews. 15 almonds. Grind well. Add grinded almonds and cashews. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. A half teaspoon green cardamom. 1 cup condensed milk. Mix well. Stir continuously until it cools down. Garnish with almonds. Freeze for 6 to 8 hours.